The cork sector has a relevant economic dimension and a strategic importance for the Mediterranean countries, where 300,000 tonnes are produced each year. The European Union is the world leader in the production of wine stoppers, reaching 70% of market share and a total value of €1,700 million. Portugal exports nearly 60% of the world's cork. There are more than 1,000 companies working in the sector in Europe, which are mainly located in more peripheral regions, supporting nearly 27,000 direct jobs and approximately 65,000 indirect jobs. The wine stopper industry is becoming more competitive and demanding. Pressure is increasing over the cork sector, which is still highly dependent on the stopper as a key product, meaning that new answers are needed for facing the future. There is a strong investment in innovation, investigation and design in order to develop new products and find different uses for cork. Although bottle stoppers continue to have structural importance, the use of cork has become ever more diverse, creative and functional. As a raw material, cork has several properties that make it incomparable. Cork is extremely light and elastic, highly compressible, resistant and waterproof. These characteristics explain part of its success when used in bottle sealing. Cork also has excellent insulation properties, sound, heat and vibratory, which in addition to its other characteristics, grant it versatility and strong potential for innovation. To achieve consumers' trust, quality is the key word in this industry, from forest management to the moment the bottles are sealed. Endless efforts have been made to improve cork's properties and solve problems such as TCA, an innocuous substance that exists in organic compounds, including cork, and is responsible for altering the taste of wine. Due to the improvements throughout the chain, from extraction to processing, the problem no longer exists. And nowadays, when the stopper reaches the consumer, it has already been tested by the most demanding procedures. Quality control at various levels, compliance of the International Code of Cork Stopper Manufacturing Practice, manual and automatic selection of stoppers, investments in scientific research and technological development were some of the efforts made on the quest for excellence. Studies carried out in several countries show that wine consumers prefer bottles sealed with cork stoppers, which they associate to quality. Despite the relative stabilization of global wine production and consumption, there are some changes occurring in the industry, which demand a stronger adaptive capacity from cork producers. Modifications in consumption patterns, emerging markets like China, increasing environmental demands, the impact of climate change, are just some of the challenges affecting the wine industry that may have an impact over the cork system. But the major threat is from alternative bottle seals, like the screw cap or the plastic stoppers. Choosing a bottle with a cork stopper is the first step to choosing a good quality wine. It is the preference of most relevant brands and experts, as well as of the majority of the consumers. The advantages of cork in relation to plastic stoppers or to screw caps are vast at several levels. Regarding the environment and the sustainability values, the cork stopper is responsible for an outstanding ecosystem and is at the basis of an eco-efficient industry. If we consider the carbon emissions of these products according to a life cycle analysis, cork is highly favourable and impressive when compared to plastic or aluminium. Also, the cork stopper has been used throughout centuries for sealing recipients due to its unique natural properties, allowing the wine to mature naturally inside the bottle. Nowadays, cork is considered to be the best stopper for all kinds of wine. In a globalized world, where change is happening faster than ever and everything is highly interconnected, the simple choice of a bottle of wine with a cork stopper may have a direct and immediate impact over the sustainability of the producing system. The future of the cork oak, montado, with the balanced relationship between man and nature, is therefore dependent on our responsible choices, now that we understand what values are at stake. Those values are the reason why the cork stopper is worthy of a film, because it is much more than a simple object.